What we're going to think about today, that what your groups are going to really tackle is, when you talk about menu of consequence, we're asking ourselves, we have to think outside the box. I think we're limited. When you think about consequences, what comes to your mind? What do you do with kids? They're not doing work when they're supposed to be doing work, they're fooling around. What's the first thing that hits you? Recess. Yeah, let's keep them in for recess. They can do, if you can't do it now, you can do it during recess. That's our classic response. So, and the same thing with our older kids. Our classic response is, you get a detention. You're disruptive, you get a detention. But we're kind of now tying our hands, and we have to really think about, are there different things we can do outside the box? So when you're thinking about consequences today, I want you to think, if you took away from the community, you created a disruption, you did not do your work. That's disruption and refusal. That also took away from the community. And part of our value system says that we are responsible for our community, let's just say. How are you going to give back to the community? In the back center, we have a bunch of markers. And all those markers are out of whack. They're all got different colored covers on them, the covers that don't belong there. They're all in the wrong bins. So during choice time this afternoon, your job is to fix that problem. That's a consequence. Another consequence I give to kids when it comes around recess time is, you're right, I won't take away recess. But I will say to kids, you know what, we were doing math today and we had 10 problems to do, and you didn't do any because you were fooling around. So as soon as you do these 3 problems, the first 3, you get out for recess. Because I need them to at least do those first 3. Now, if they sit there and don't do the first 3, then they're sitting there for the whole recess, but that's their choice. I'm not taking away the recess. I'm giving them back the control. I'm saying, hey, you know what? You didn't do any of these, but you know what? I need to get these 3 done. Get these 3 done before you go out. As soon as those 3 are done, you're outside. That's still a consequence. So we got to think about, it's not about doing 30 minutes. It's not about time. It's about, how do you hold kids accountable and give back to your value system? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.